This help desk video, I'm going over how to use the trade saver in our program, which is going to help you turn any losing trade into a winner, or at least less of a loser, and give you step-by-step instructions on what to do. All right, so let's dive into it here. So again, when you log into the membership site, you'll see the dashboard page, which is the Trade Ideas algo. You simply go in here to Trade Saver. Now again, Trade Saver should only be used on losing trades. And what is a losing trade? A losing trade is where your strike price has been broken. So if you're trading a put credit spread, that means it has gone below your strike price. Again, if you're trading a call credit spread, that means that the stock has gone above your strike price. All right, again, you can pick from a trade that you're currently tracking on your trades tracker. You can also plug in the details of one, and it gives you, based on our rules, what you should be doing. You have your expiration day plan, you have your early close plan. Both of these are shown here, step by step, step 1, step 2, step 3, and again, it tells you, and an explanation of what this strategy works best at and why, and gives you your potential savings. Not only that, it highlights the best option for you, which is this one. So again, this is how the credit spreads trade savers work. If you want to check it out, click it there. You won't need to use this many times with our approach, as you'll only be losing 5 to 10% of your trades. But again, if you want to do that here, you can. These are very simple rules to follow. But again, the credit spreads trade saver will hopefully save your trade if you use it correctly. All right, if you have any questions, please use the chat box on the site or join our office hours call. All right, see you in the next support video.